Thank you, Bill and Emmett and the OS organization for inviting us. Forward-looking statement. Ocugen, company highlights. We're a NASDAQ-listed company focused on rare and underserved eye diseases. And we got near-term revenue potential program in phase 3, small molecule. We believe we have a groundbreaking gene therapy platform where each of our genes with AAV vector can target multiple IRDs. And those two programs are in the preclinical, and we also have biological programs targeting many retinal diseases. We have a strong global IP. We recently closed a collaboration agreement with a Consina, a good-sized biotech, with the state-of-the-art facilities and a strong scientific team, which will enable us to move our gene therapies towards the clinic while continuing our phase 3 program. We have a strong leadership team with a proven track record of success in developing, launching, and managing life cycle of many biopharmaceuticals successfully. Coming to our pipeline, starting from OCU300, it's targeted for ocular graft versus host disease. This is a debilitating orphan disease. We have orphan drug designation. We have on the gene therapy platform OCU400, based on the nuclear hormone receptor gene NR2E3, AAV, targeting multiple inherited retinal diseases. We do have orphan drug designation for NR2E3 mutation, followed by CEP290 mutation using the modifier concept for the first time. And then we have other diseases we're working on. Similarly, we're targeting OCU410 with the RORA gene, dry AMD. It's a significant disease burden. About 9 million patients in the US alone struggle with this disease, where there are no current therapies. And our OCU200 is a tungsten transferrin fusion protein, targets integrin receptor, very distinct MOA compared to existing therapies in the marketplace, targeting it is in preclinical studies. Now coming to our phase 3 program, what is ocular GVHD? When cancer patients go through donor cell bone marrow transplants, the donor leukocytes start attacking host immune system. So within 3 to 6 months, they get manifestations with different organs, including eye. And that's ocular GVHD in the eye. And it has a significant pain, inflammation, redness, and if untreated, can lead to ocular scarring. And it can significantly diminish quality of life and restrict daily activities. That's actually I have a real patient from one of our clinics. And it's a significant disease burden. 60,000 patients today in the US struggle from this disease. We're the first and only company with orphan drug designation with FDA working on ocular GVHD. Now moving on to our phase 3 clinical program, it's a 60-patient study. We have 40 patients in active group, 20 in placebo. And we are introduced our proprietary patented OcuNanoE technology delivery system with these eye drops. It's an 84-day study, and we have 2 primary endpoints, one focusing on discomfort based on the pain score, 10-point score, and we have validated bulbar redness to measure the redness score. So these endpoints will allow us to get the potential indication treatment of ocular discomfort and ocular redness in patients with OGVHD. And once again, we are expecting top-line results from this study in the second half of next year. Now moving on to our modifier gene therapy platform. Why is it different from existing gene therapies out there? The current gene therapies, they're gene augmentation. You got a non-functioning gene. You insert the functioning gene and deliver. You have the gene expression. You control the disease progression. So if you want to work on a second mutation, you have to start entire process again. And it's a very complex manufacturing process. And it takes enormous amount of capital and expertise to take the second program to the clinic again. In our case, it is based on modifier gene therapy. These are nuclear genes. They have ability to modify expression of many genes and gene networks and reset homeostasis, bringing back the restoration. And so these genes can affect many gene networks which are responsible for cell development, metabolism, as well as survival. So each of our genes can target multiple diseases. So this is a small subset of data we have from enormous amount of data at Harvard Medical School from our collaborator. Looking at 6 different mutations here, we show consistently the fundus imaging spotting has reduced. Not only it controls the disease, it's reduced, it means it's stirring. And if you look at outer nuclear layer morphological features, again, you're recovering. So this is, again, each of our genes is very effective in controlling many diseases. And so now, again, an early stage as well as advanced stage, it's effective. We have seen effectivity intravitreal injections as well as subretinal. Once again, our goal is to help these patients not to get to the right side of the picture, losing their eyesight, really restore and help them the eyesight. It could be a significant thing in these patients' lives. So now we did a strategic partnership with Consino. It allows us to advance our program with significantly reduced capital and resources. And we have a biological program based on tumstatin transferrin. We have superior data compared to Avastin, statistically superior. Interestingly, when we compared with Eylea, we're getting longer pharmacodynamic effect. So if you have a program which can reduce the number of injections and also can be effective in majority of the population, you have majority responders, that could be disease modifying for these patients. It could be very beneficial. Now, in summary, we got a near-term milestones. Next year, first half, sample size re-estimation, because it's a small orphan program. FDA allowed us some flexibility in there. Second half next year, we'll have phase 3 data, top-line results. Our OCU400 achieved many milestones this year, including 2 orphan drug designations and partnership on manufacturing moving towards the clinic. And our OCU200 is going to go to the clinic by 2021. Thank you. If you have any questions, I'm here all day today, and our investor relations person, Kelly Beck, is here. Please come and see us if you want to learn about Ocugen. Thank you.
Thank you.